Always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
And we are bracing for that heavy rain for the start of our week.
Heavy rain to start the week. It won't be around when you wake up. It'll be timed in the afternoon and evening here, and that will be key because each day we have to time this. We had some heavier rain come through the area today, but we've since cleared. Some light rain for your evening, but it did lead to some more flooding here today. In fact, rain amounts up into portions of Broward County, 1 to 2 inches of rain. That's a bit of a concern because we're looking at widespread areas of 1 to 2 inches tomorrow. Ground's a little wet. That could lead to more frequent flood advisories, and we have a flood watch in effect tomorrow afternoon and evening. A few light rain showers tonight if you're out to the last place seeing the storms, where it's still pretty warm into the Keys right now. Showers and storms working their way through the upper Keys and the middle Keys here. That's where temperatures are still into the upper 80s there. So where it's warm, it's still a bit, we get the potential for more storms there in the lower Keys, but everyone else is cooled down, lower 80s, upper 70s. It's about where we will stay here overnight tonight. This is the area of concern tomorrow. This is a disturbance. It's not tropical yet, but there's a lot of moisture with it, and as it works its way south, it will lead to more widespread heavy rain across the area. That's why we have the next weather alert in place tomorrow and again on Tuesday. Now, as this area moves south, we're looking at heavy rain developing more widespread, and that will lead to flooding. This is the scenario on Monday. By Tuesday, it works its way across the Florida Peninsula here, so we still have some heavy rain around, but that heavy rain area is starting to shift a bit to the interior and pushing over towards the Gulf Coast. I think it's still close enough. We have to keep this weather alert going through Tuesday because there is still more potential for flooding across the area. Next weather rain tracker is showing this here across the area. The showers and storms developing. That's not in the morning. This is by 12 tomorrow. They start along the Gulf Coast. So we're keeping those low rain chances in the forecast till at least midday. We'll up them a bit, especially for the Keys. But it's the afternoon and evening where we see these widespread showers and storms developing and working their way right to the East Coast here, starting about 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Then the area expands here. This is that widespread 1 to 2 inches of rain. Likely we'll get some flooding alerts coming in tomorrow afternoon and evening. Everything will wind down overnight tomorrow night. Then we start to see that breeze turning a bit to the southeast, so we'll put another round of showers and storms in the forecast Tuesday, maybe a little earlier, and it does try to work its way through the area, pushing to the interior in the afternoon and evening. Rain amounts over the next few days could be up to 4 inches with locally higher amounts right up against the East Coast. So that's why we continue to look at this alert through both Monday and Tuesday, afternoon and evening storms with up to 4 inches total. And then we could get the flooding potential and flash flooding potential as well. Tomorrow, the next weather alert in the afternoon, rain chances there noon, 3, 6 o'clock. That's when they will be highest. We will continue to track the tropics because this is not a tropical disturbance yet, but it could develop into one as it moves into the Gulf of Mexico by the middle of next week here. Out on the water tomorrow, there's no alerts, but watch for these showers and storms. They'll put them in the forecast tomorrow. We'll keep that alert going through Tuesday. We'll gradually lower rain chances for the rest of the week with passing showers and storms at the end of the week and the weekend.